Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So, today we're gonna be continuing our cookie video. Last week we did thumbprint cookies, and this week we're gonna be doing some sugar cookies. Let's get right into the recipe. To start with your sugar cookies, the first thing you need to do is to mix flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl and set aside. In another bowl, mix butter and granulated sugar and beat with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and go ahead and add in your vanilla and egg and beat on medium speed until well combined. Add half of the flour mixture and mix until well blended before adding the next. Your dough is going to look lumpy, but do not worry. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and dump the dough onto a work surface and press it together until you have a rounded shape. So fam, divide your dough into two and press each piece into a disc. Then wrap each of them tightly with a plastic wrap and refrigerate it for an hour or overnight till firm. So fam, once your dough is chilled, go ahead and sprinkle some flour on your work surface and place your dough, and equally sprinkle a little bit of flour on your dough and roll with a rolling pin until round. Make sure your dough is about 1/4 inch thick and sprinkle more flour under the dough so it doesn't stick to the surface. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Then, using cookie cutters, cut as many shapes as you can and transfer them to your already prepared baking sheets and bake for about 12 minutes until lightly brown. After getting your desired shape, whatever dough is left, just mold it again and wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate again for another hour. Then repeat the same process. Refrigerate your already shaped cookies for about 5 minutes before baking so it doesn't spread all over. You could make your cookies thicker depending on how you like them. I wanted to use some royal icing on these cookies, that's why I made them a little smaller. So far my cookies are ready. Let them cool completely for about 10 minutes and serve. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.